Hello everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to download and install Microsoft Teams. And I will tell you the easiest way to do so. This will be a very quick tutorial. Yeah, very easy. So open any of your favorite browser. Type Microsoft Teams download. Once you type, hit enter. And the first is Microsoft.com, download Microsoft Teams. Click on that and here you can see download for desktop and download for mobile. So I'll click on download desktop and here it asks Microsoft for home and small business or work and school. You can choose one to download and install. It will look like this. We can click on get setup availability. So you can choose whatever you want. The status edited, set the status message. So if you want to create meetings, there are two tabs right here in chat. So what I would recommend to create a link in My Two Teams, a link will be created. Copy that advocate, send it to your team member on your friends. They will also download Microsoft Teams. You can click to start meeting, also click on new chat. Once you click new chat, you can enter email address or the phone number. The email address will be good if you invite your colleague or team members to the Microsoft Teams so that we can together to the meetings. The best part of Microsoft is it is very useful. And also enjoy that. Please let me know in the comments section if you are using Microsoft Teams or any other software. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.